you know that 80% of Americans work a 9 to 5 and they don't even have $400 just in case an emergency expense has to pop up? You can take all this stress off your life with binary options, and you can make $100 to even $1,000 in just one single day by working from home. The only skills that you need for binary options is just practice, to know market structure, and just know the basics of trading. And you're in luck, because in this video, I'm going to show you how to trade on all time frames. You can make money in just 5 seconds, even up to 4 hours. Now, the strategy that I'm going to be teaching you is an 80% win rate. But guys, the main thing that I want to stress to you for this video to make this method effective is going to be your patience and knowing market structure. So be sure to watch this full video. You don't want to miss any of this good information on how to trade binary options. But the main thing that you should know is that scared money don't make no money. So if you want to learn more, stay tuned for more after the intro. Woo! Alright guys, so let's just see. As you can see, we have a minute left on this trade. We are at the top of the Bollinger Band, indicating that we're going to come down a little bit. But I'm going to show you what I seen right here. And let's just see in this last 45 seconds here if pocket option is going to try to F me, as I like to call it. So as you know, they're famous for taking you all the way down here and closing you out your trade in literally the last 10 seconds. But this is what I was seeing, guys. So I was looking at this chart on a 5-minute, and I'm seeing that we have this M formation forming up, which I love my M formations, you guys. I love, when this chart, you get in up here on its highest point and then go ahead and come down to form out this sexy looking M right here. But this whole time I was contemplating, and I was like, all right, are we gonna go with this M formation? And really, I would have probably got in for the information right here, but I was like, are we gonna go in for this? As you see, we just won that trade as well. But I was like, are we gonna go in for this information, or are we gonna continue with market structure? Because at the time I was looking at this chart, we was literally like right here before you even seen these red candles. So imagine like this is all you see right here. So I'm seeing that we have a good, decent, we're on a downtrend, we're under the EMA, but just for like short-term reasons, we have strongwards upwards push, strong bullish movement after we've came down here. And this is like 2 hours ago. This is actually like 3 hours ago, guys. No, this is even 6 hours ago since we've had downwards push, and then we've pretty much been in a bullish movement. I seen that this was the pullback, and boom, right here, guys, is where I want to emphasize, like, you need to like get in on trades on the lowest point right here. As it's going up, you need to get in anytime it hovers this white line pretty much. And I just seen that, all right, we might have an M formation coming, but at the same time we've pretty much came down too fast, big bearish candle right there. And so I was like, all right, we have to come up. We've hit kind of the bottom Bollinger Band. You take it back to the 1-minute chart, and you can see that this was at the bottom Bollinger Band, very strong bearish movement. So I was like, all right, let's just go with market structure. We are hovering this 200 EMA, indicating that we're trying to be on an uptrend. And yeah, I just went with market structure, got in right about around here. We did come down a little bit more. I did place a 2-minute trade as well, and I lost my 2-minute trade. So because I thought we were gonna immediately come up, but we did come down even more. And then the other second, what was it, 15-minute trade? No, 12-minute trade, guys. 12-minute trade, just for it to play out. All right, chat, so we got an interesting trade today. We had a very, very bad trading day so far. As you can see, we've pretty much been like winning for losing, and then we had a very tough stretch right here. 5 trades in a row missed. But I just wanted to show you guys that on this chart right here, we have 20 seconds left. I did place a whole 20-minute trade for this, but I'm seeing that our last touch of the zone, guys, we have a bunch. I have like 4 trend lines right here, but our last touch was literally on March 8th. Okay, so we literally had our last touch on March 8th, and as you can see, once we zoom this, well, you can't see it, but the trade is closed. But the chart was above these lines this whole time. This is the 1 hour chart, but what I pretty much seen was that we are having a major downtrend, and this is the lowest point since March 8th, and our lowest point was in fact right up, and here is where I placed my trade at, guys. That is where I got in on the trade, and I was looking at it on the 5Ms. So I got in right here, and literally for like, actually no, it was right here where you see this second line at. So this is where I got in on the trade, guys, right here at this orange line. And so we literally went down the whole time until about half of our trade. So until about 8 minutes is when we did start to come up. And then we started to come up, guys, and we did go ahead and surpass our trading area. So that is the technical analysis for this one. I just seen that we literally haven't been that way this far down in about a month's time. So I just knew that we were eventually gonna come up just a little bit, just a little green, just to get us back in this zone up in here, because we're just way too low. Like I said, after this point, this is literally the lowest it's been for literally a month. So I just knew we would have to come back up. So I gave it 20 minutes, plenty of time. And yeah, guys, 20 minutes, plenty of time. As you can see, once we load up here, we lost the whole way through. Around halfway our trading time, we came in and price started to consolidate. As you can see, we're trying to get back to this line right here. We're at the top of the Bollinger Band, so I take it to the 30 seconds, and I'm seeing that we're at the middle line of the Bollinger Band, and I still believe that this chart is going to continue to come down within the next couple of minutes. Here we do have some signals for, you know, a couple minutes going down, but it is about to go up. And as you can see, we have the overall double arrow for the down. So if we go to the 1 minute chart, you can see that this thing is still trying to go down. So dang it, I wish I would have, man, this is what I'm talking about, bro. I'm over here talking to y'all and I missed my entry, bro. God dang. Oh my gosh, hopefully this thing could like come all the way back up. It'll probably come all the way back up and we can get another entry, but dang, bro, I really just folded. Alright, so since we did miss our entry on that last one, guys, I'm gonna show you how you can like kind of redeem your missed entry. So as you can see, we have 2 minutes left, 2 seconds left. So what I did was I placed a 15-second candle, because on the 5Ms this is the lowest point, and we just need to come up a little bit. And as you can see, we closed that trade because if you look at it on the 5Ms, we were just on a new candle, and with all this downwards push on a new candle opening, we normally have a little bit of green to start off before we come back down. So with all this strong bearish movement, I just knew a little bit of bulls will pop in, and this thing will probably still come down in the next, 10 minutes here, because this is a 5-minute chart. But if you go to the 1 minute, as you can see, we had 1 green candle right here, 2 green right here, and we just might continue to still come down. I got one more example for y'all before we log out. But so right here, what do you do on a heavy downtrend with very strong bearish push? The answer, guys, most of the time you would just go with the trend. So we did place a 30-second trade going with the trend. Let's see if we can get this neck and neck, and it looks like we have folded on this option right here. So to redeem this option, what I would do is we just got in a little bit too early, man. So I would go ahead and just make sure that this is going to continue to go down. As you can see, we're at our highest Bollinger Band right here. So I'm just going to go ahead and get in one more time for the down position on this little slight green pullback. And even though this thing is going up, and I feel like this chart is just going to still keep going up because of the stochastic, don't lose your faith yet until this timer hits 0, 0, 0. You know what I'm saying? 0 at that, because it's 4 zeros up here. But yeah, man, don't lose faith yet, and don't get too happy yet, because this thing could shoot up. We got 5 seconds here. 4, 3, 2, 1, and this is how you close a trade after you just lose. Get it on the 10-second candles. Make sure that this thing is gonna go ahead and head back down, highest Bollinger Band, and we're gonna shoot back down, guys. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, man. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you can learn more easy ways to make this money the easiest way as possible. As you can see by this video, I do simplify things the easiest way as possible so you can literally double your income by working from home. Over on the channel, I do have multiple videos on how to start a trucking business and even how to start trucking remotely by starting your own dispatching business. If you guys have any further questions, feel free to hit me at the calendly.com/KingLatta, link in the description, and I will help you with any questions that you have, and I even will start you a drop shipping store because I do website design. But hold on, I know you didn't hit that subscribe button, so go ahead, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Stay tuned for the videos that's going to be posting tomorrow because we do post every other day on this channel. And if you're an inspiring entrepreneur and you want to make this money the easiest way as possible, check these videos out right here and it'll help you on your journey. My name is King Latta. With all that being said, I'll see you later. We out. Woo!
You talking money, want all of it, please. I pulled before, got me stuck in a